Back to my channel. I am doing an update for my pregnancy week of 7. I'm 7 weeks now. My first appointment is next week, March 6th, and for when I'll be 8 weeks. I'm feeling about the same, still tired. Excuse me. My chest still hurts. I haven't gotten morning sickness yet. I'm kind of waiting for it. I still have occasions of bouts of nausea. It just depends on what it is, like food or whatever. Like certain foods certain foods turn me away, like avocado, like certain meats. Sometimes meat is not my favorite. It just depends. It varies from day to day. Well, for sure avocado. I just don't really want avocado, and I don't even want it in my house right now. I don't know why. It just doesn't appeal to me. I mostly want junk food, candy, and like carbohydrates. That's kind of bad, but that's what I want. Craving, right now it just depends, like burritos, hash browns, orange juice. I mean, I don't know, it just depends from day to day. Sometimes tacos, like breakfast tacos. Right now I can't eat much in the morning. I eat like breakfast sausage and sometimes hash browns. I know that's not like the healthiest, but I'm just doing what I can, like with my body. And my sleep can be really erratic. Like sometimes I'll be able to sleep all night and then other times I can't. My neck has been really hurting me, my neck and my back and just all the way down. I don't know why. I need to go to the chiropractor, but I haven't had a chance. And then now my son is not feeling good, so yeah, that's an added thing. So hopefully he'll feel better. That's pretty much it. Just trying to eat every day, trying to sleep and drink enough water, and remember to take my prenatal vitamins. I will do an update on week 8. I know this is not going to be a very long video. I'll show, I think we're going to have a sonogram. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll show the sonogram picture if they do a sonogram, which usually they do on week 8, I think, just to see, you know, if everything's going fine with the baby and that kind of thing. My mom's made a joke that I might have twins, so, you know, that might be a surprise. I highly doubt it, but you never know. Boy, I tell you, that would be a shocker for me, so, you know, we'll find out, but I'm pretty sure it's just one, but I could be wrong. My skin has just been really dry, my hair, my face, my hands, so I've just been trying to keep it moisturized, my feet, everything, just like my whole body. And just trying to keep my headaches down and stuff like that. I haven't had any caffeine still. I've been still caffeine free. I took one Tylenol PM, but it doesn't do anything for me, so I haven't taken anything now. The only thing I've been taking is Gas X to help with gas, because I've been having extremely gas. I know this is so much information, I don't see why everybody wants to know this, but whatever. I've been extremely gassy, I know that's like TMI, but anyways, other than that, I'm pretty much the same. I haven't had like the full kick of morning sickness right now. Just pray that I don't, but I have a feeling it's gonna be coming sooner or later. And that's when it's gonna be interesting, because I will be probably really sick. I hope not, but anyways. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!